I'm Annabella Rosiana, and I'm excited to share with you the fascinating custom and etiquette of Japan. This is a country where tradition and modern life blend beautifully, from the quiet tea houses to the bustling street of Tokyo. Let's begin our journey in Japan. First, greetings and respect. Bowing is the most common in Japan. The deeper the bow, the greater the respect. Did you know there are three types of bowing? First, ishaku. Ishaku is a simple, casual bow. What you need to do is to bend your torso about 15 degrees. It is used for greeting colleagues and casual environment. Next is the kare. Kare is a formal bow to show respect. You have to bend at 30 degrees to 45 degrees. It is usually used in business settings, ceremonies, or when showing respect to superiors or elders. And the last types of bowing is the sakure. Sakure is the deepest and most formal bow reserved for highly solemn occasions or when showing utmost respect, such as ceremonial contexts or when meeting royalty or dignities. Sakure involves bending deeply at the waist to 45 degrees angle, or even further with the arms straight, hands placed flat on thighs or knees. And that concludes Japan greetings and respect. And now, let's know their public etiquettes. Public spaces in Japan are known for their orderliness. On trains, silence is valued. Loud conversation or phone calls are considered impolite. Forming lines is also important, whether at bus stop or escalators. People quiet patiently. When shopping, you notice a tray, place your money there instead of handling it directly. This small detail reflects respect and efficiency. And now, let's know their eating etiquette. In Japan, meals are accompanied by specific rituals and rules. Before eating, it's customary to say itadakimasu, expressing gratitude for the food. Certain dishes are served in small plates and eaten in particular order. Chopstick or hashi are used exclusively for eating, and there are specific etiquette rules. You should not stab food with chopstick. Pass food from the chopstick to chopstick or leave them cross an empty plate. Instead, they should be placed together beside the plate or bowl. At the end of the meal, the phrase "Goti Shosama Desita" is said to thank the cook for the meal. To conclude, Japan is a country filled with respect, discipline, and timeliness, from greeting and respect to public etiquette and eating etiquette. Every custom reflects harmony and consideration for others. By learning these etiquettes, we not only avoid misunderstanding, but also show appreciation for Japanese culture. I'm Annabella Rosiana, and I hope you discovered something new today. Arigatou gozaimasu.